Okay, alright, and welcome back. And in the previous class, we discussed about the pen tool, these rectangle tools, and now here we are going to discuss about the pen tool. So basically the pen tool is very easy. Just as we know, if you're familiar with the Photoshop or Illustrator or any other tools, just in the same way it works like the pen tool. Just if you want to create any shape, just that shape didn't exist in Figma, but you want to create it. Okay, I'm creating this shape, and here we can see, and it's asking just to click this done, automatically it's created. And now if you select this fill color and go to the fill and you can change this color. Okay, and if you want to give any gradient, it's as I shown in the previous class while creating in the rectangle. In the same way, you can create whichever gradient you want, like linear, radial or angular. And if you want to create more number of gradients, you can click the control, automatically it will create, and you can change the color. Okay, in the same way. And if you want to add any image or any video in the same way, it works. Okay, alright. And coming to here, this is the stroke. And if you want the stroke for your pen tool shape, you can create. If you don't need, you can click here. We can see this one, this icon. This represents the visible, and if you disable this one, and automatically the eye will close. That means you hide that one. Okay, you have to remember that thing. And the same way, the effects like drop shadow, the blur, everything works for the same, which we discussed in the previous class for this rectangle shapes. Okay, alright. And okay, alright, that is about the pen tool. And now delete this one. And now coming to here, this is the pencil tool. And if you want to write anything else, if you can write. Okay, and here if you can write. But it's very impossible task to write here because I am using the pen. If you're using the pen, you can write. Okay, and with the help of the mouse, it's very impossible task. Here we can see it having totally 8 vectors. Okay, and most of the pencil tool is not at all useful while creating any UI UX mockups or anything else. I don't use that thing. And when compared to the rectangle tool and pen tool are the most useful things. Okay, it's my responsibility to discuss every tool which either it's useful or not useful in Figma. It's my responsibility to discuss with you while I'm making a post. Okay, and delete all these things, and that's it about this one. And coming to here, you can see here this shape here, as I discussed. Here we have a lot of round, square, and everything as we discussed here, like in the line tool. In the same way it works. Okay, and now delete this one. And coming to here, and this is the text tool, and here you can type something else. Okay, and this is the text. And here we can see this is the font size, and if you want to increase the font size, you can increase. Or else if you want to press K. See, automatically it's increasing. Okay, and here we can see, and this is the fonts, and these are the different types here, like semi bold, anything. And here we can see a lot of fonts like here. And if you can use as per your requirement, you can use your favorite fonts. Okay. And that's it about the fonts and the pencil tool and the pen tool in this class. And we finished everything. And coming to here, this is nothing, the hand tool. This is nothing but if you want to drag this one, anything else, you can use. Okay, and this is not a technical part to discuss that much about these things. Okay, alright, and we discussed this tools palette in this class. And in the next class, we are going to discuss about some other things. And now I'm going to wrap up this class and see you in the next class. Bye.